So nice to meet you all. So my name is Philippe Volto. I'm the CEO of Dataligence. It's a French tech company based in Romania. So we are a Romanian company, but with a French investor. We are active in the field of data security, and we have developed a platform called DAP, or Data Agents Annihilation Platform, for dynamic big data security. So, sorry. So our team, myself, Philippe Volto, with 25 years of experience in IT. I have been automation cloud team leader for European Commission and a technical architect in banking sector. My colleague Jean-Michel in charge of strategy, working for smart buildings area. And George, our CTO, with more than 13 years of software experience in GDPR data privacy and for process setup for telecom company. So we say there is a growing problem today. Did you hear about hacking or ransomware in the last 2 years? Have you thought yourself on your... There is a risk for me of my personal data, and you can imagine the responsibility for HR department and responsible. In parallel, there is a question of data volume that is growing. We have 64 zettabytes of data today, and 90% was not here in the last 2 years, and it's growing each 2 years. And also, there is a problem of energy and resource consumption with data centers that are consuming more and more energy, while they are using not so much the storage capacity due to data segregation. So I will say we are transversal platform. So we are not dedicated to a specific business sector. We are starting sales on the French market with some hospital in Lyon and Angers. That's why we are here today. So DAP is a dynamic big data security platform for massive data anonymization, pseudonymization, canonization, encryption. So it means that we can transform to be aligned with the GDPR compliance. It's also a green platform that allows to find a compromise between the requirement of data security and data volume and energy performance, low carbon, as it's a requirement in Europe from now and in the future. So about, I will say, our key differentiator. First, I will say it's ownership. So it means that you can keep the control on your critical and sensible data. When you encrypt data and you share data, you lose the control on the data because you have, as it's a digital asset, you have to lose the control sharing your data, either if it's encrypted. So through tokenization of data or pseudonymization, you can keep the control and share the data you want. Okay. Masking the sensible data you don't want to share to a third party. The third party can be inside your own company, startup in your ecosystem, a partner, supplier, etc. Speed, because the platform is built on big data technology. I'm coming myself from big data area. So from the beginning, it has been built on the latest technology, allowing us to have high transaction throughput. It's green because it's scalable and resizable, and we have our roadmap to be able to make a carbon offsetting. No code, because the platform can be put directly in the hands of the business user, because today data security is not well managed. Cyber security, yes, but not data security. And today, the system is not managed. It is between the business teams, IT teams, cyber security teams, and data management teams. Okay, and so the idea for us is to put the logic in the hand of the business users. It's also a robust platform. It's scalable. We have made a proof of concept with a top 10 bank, and we can scale on cluster of server, allowing no limit on the horizontal scalability of the platform. And it's fast to deploy. We can deploy now, not in an hour, but in 20 minutes, single node platform on the premise, so on a physical server, or on the cloud, Azure, AWS. We are now partner for Microsoft Azure, so we will be able to sell our platform in the coming months on Microsoft Azure platform, so worldwide. So it's a great opportunity for us. Our partner, Cluster Power, that is a tier 3 data center with low carbon footprint. EasyDo, it's an integrator company and making smart maintenance system. And the French carbon offsetting hub called H64 that will allow us in the future to make carbon offsetting. So about the market, data masking, cloud and big data, artificial intelligence, so it's a billion market. Obviously, we are only focusing on the question of data security, so it's only a part of this market. We have different business model, pay-per-user subscription, but currently under revision, and adoption strategy with key accounts and a true integrator. We got a prize from the UK Embassy, foreign office, to be able to relocate our company in UK. So we are progressing with them on this subject. So this is not interesting. So this is my contact. That's it.
Thank you so much, Philippe. Sorry, did you want to end there? I interrupted you.
No. I wanted to, as we had 5 minutes for the pitch.
Yes.
There are questions from some other companies that can be interested to include or to integrate data security in their own product.
Fantastic. We have a couple of questions from the audience. Actually, you were mentioning a potential partnership with with Azure. Do you are hosting your services yourself, or actually already using a global cloud provider?
So for now, we are hosting service. We are hosting ourselves our service.
Okay.
But we got last week the agreement of Microsoft to be hosted on their on Microsoft Azure. So it will be in the coming months. Will be on Azure, Microsoft.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. A question from Isabel. What kind of partnership do you expect within DigiPre? You mentioned already that you were focusing on somebody that could need the data security aspect to their solution, but any other preference or detail?
No, clearly we are focused on only on this aspect. We are also looking about the subjects that it's about European health data format. So if there is some companies that is interesting about this subject, and we were interested to work on it about data roaming in Europe. Okay, like you have with the GSM phone you have roaming. Okay, there is a question of roaming of data in Europe, your health data. So if there is some company interested, obviously we can collaborate on this subject.
Fantastic, Philippe. One last question from Beneling Dobrev. Do you only focus on medical applications or a much broader?
No, we are, as I said before, we are not dedicated to business sector. Obviously, we start to get some traction on the medical sector in France because there is a lot of hack and ransomware, and the health sector is part of is as concerned about that. But we have started to talk with the data centers, with commodities and energy, with industry, fabrics in the USA. So we are not dedicated to healthcare. Obviously, we will make derivative version of our product dedicated by sector in the future to manage specificity of each sector.
Okay. Thank you so much, Philippe.
Thank you.